Welcome to LFA's video on vegetarian capsules. Vegetarian capsules are perfect for vegetarians, vegans, and people with specific dietary needs. They contain no gelatin, wheat, gluten, or animal byproducts, making them suitable for most people. Vegetarian capsules are a capsule made from pullulan, which is derived naturally from fermented tapioca. These vegetarian capsules are made entirely from tapioca starch and water, making them 100% natural. These are edible with no identifiable taste. The main benefits of vegetarian capsules are that they are able to be used for producing certifiably organic formulas. They are also produced to GMP standards in a state-of-the-art facility in the USA. Because they are plant-based, they are suitable for vegetarians and vegans, as well as being kosher and halal. Lastly, we have stock locations in North America, Europe, and Asia, meaning we can quickly dispatch orders across the world. Vegetarian capsules have a long storage life, but storage has to be monitored for heat and moisture, which may be harmful to the capsules. They are a bit more forgiving than the gelatin alternative, but will still need to be monitored. Even though vegetarian capsules are slightly less economical than gelatin capsules, they are becoming increasingly popular, especially for people wanting to make organic supplements. On the LFA website there's a capsule size chart where you'll be able to see lots of useful information about capsules, capsule sizes, and formulation densities. This will also be explained in our capsule size guide video in the description below. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfacapsulefillers.com.